Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. SwitchBot water leak detector. Remotely monitor leaks from anywhere. Compatible with Alexa, Google, Siri, IFTTT and SmartThings. With remote app notifications, adjustable sound alarms, IP67 waterproof, and it is part of SwitchBot ecosystem. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Included we have the manuals, with two 3A batteries, with one opener. At the front we have the button, indicator light, the speaker for the alarm, top sensor and the back sensor. To install the batteries, use this tool, seal it very well. It is an IP67 with fully sealed waterproof cell. Even when soaked in water, it can still send out notification normally and can even be reused after drying at a depth of 1 meter for no more than 30 minutes. Oh, we can hear the sound. The sensors at the back are coming in contact here and press. Perfect. Sealed very well. And it is ready to set up with the SwitchBot app. Add device, water leak detector, some informations, next. Press and hold the button for 2 seconds. The light is start flashing, connect device. You need to use a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, enter the password, next. You can rename the device, pick a room, living room, next.
I found water leak detector 2B from the SwitchBot Smart Skill. To set up a routine triggered by water leak detector 2B, go to the device detail page in the Alexa.
Okay Alexa, starts using. We are safe, we can see at the app. The only thing that we need is a few drops of water. Water leak! And of course you can unmute the alarm. Check now. We can see the logs. Let's clean the water. Now we are safe. Current status OK. And again. And mute. Instant response. Safe again. I like it. You can check the logs. Mode, leak alert or dry alert. Dry alert only for water leak detector with sensor cable. So leak alert. Alert settings, alarm direction from 1 second to 180 seconds or alarm interval from 0 minutes to 60 minutes. And alarm volume, you can choose medium, low, quiet. This was the highest. 10 seconds for now. Automation, you can create automation, water leak detector, next. When, you can add more. Add action, smart devices, you can choose one of these devices. Let's say when we have a water leak, turn on the light. You can choose preview state, customize, you can adjust the brightness, the mode. You can do so many things with automation. Endless possibilities. Turn on your air conditioner, okay, your TV, wherever you want. You can add notification for your smartphone with a note, content, send to the other members of your family, active scene, delay action, enable disable automation. Amazing. And here we can see Bluetooth connectivity, it is on the cloud, the battery capacity, settings, again you can rename, change a room, Wi-Fi settings, third-party services, all that, supports and Matter, NFC, navigate to function page, put your device's NFC area close to the tag, you can add an NFC tag, firmware update, you can check for updates. And at the back, the same thing, we have the sensor. And mute. I just love it. And you can check all the logs. Amazing response. Clean again. Now you are safe. Nice! It works even under the water. Just love it. This compact device is truly a powerful guardian for your home, offering invaluable peace of mind against costly water damage. What's fantastic is that it provides real-time app notifications, emails, and loud 100 decibel local alarm directly via Wi-Fi. No hub required for these essential alerts. Simply place it in any vulnerable spot, and you will be notified of even a tiny drip, allowing you to act fast before a small leak turns into a major disaster. If you are looking for an affordable, reliable, and easy to install way to protect your home from water damage, the SwitchBot water leak detector is an absolute must-have. Where in your home would you place one first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more smart home security and automation reviews, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. You can find links to the SwitchBot water leak detector and optional hubs for advanced features in the description below. Thanks for watching and stay dry.